that reveals the curved rectangle with two circular bases. A pyramid will use four triangles and one square as a base. Ooh, it's a pyramid museum. Gold net displays a center with circular base. Casting a shadow. Casting a shadow on Earth that either fully or partially block the sun. Light is some areas. This only happens when the moon does not orbit in the cast of the plane and the sun and Earth. In photosynthesis of North America, Western Europe and Western Africa, in the Olympic site, live in phase solar eclipse on March 29 and September 24, and lunar eclipse on March 14 and April 15 and September 7th.
The lunar eclipse happens when the Earth blocks the sunlight reaching the moon. This causes the moon to appear dark.
Earth's atmosphere is like so living things like us and metals that supports life. The Earth's atmosphere has mostly nitrogen and has plenty of oxygen for us to breathe. Thank you. The moon is a large natural object that orbits or travels around Earth after the sun. It is the brightest object in the sky. Moon is the only natural satellite. Now we will show how Earth moves around the sun. Now we will talk how every moon will around how our moon move around the sun.
Zainab, I am Sathya Vedam. We have made a simple setup to show you how our eye works. When the light strikes on an object, it will first pass through our eye. These are the parts of our eye. First, it will pass the cornea and the lens. The lens is convex. Due to the convex nature of the lens, the image formed of the retina is laterally inverted. Then the signals from the retina pass through the optic nerve and it will report to the brain. The brain will process and flip it back to its correct orientation and let us allow to see the world how actually it is. Thank you. Jazakallahu khairan.
Very good. There should be energy. Come on.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Shiza.
I am Sna.
I am Shiza.
I am Afrin.
And we have science fair and we chose the Prophet fingerprint with the miracles of Quran.
What is fingerprint? Fingerprints are thin patterns on the ends of thumbs and fingers.
Where do we find fingerprints? Fingerprints can be found on a wide variety of surfaces, whereas paper, cloth or wood, not whereas metal, glass or plastics.
And there are different patterns of the fingerprints. Accidental plane, arch plane, centered arch plane, double loop, central pocket loop, ball and the double loop. The fingerprint in the miracles of the Quran. Every individual has a unique fingerprint and the modern science confirms that no two people nor the identical twins have same fingerprint. And this fact was mentioned in the Quran over 1400 years ago. In Surah Qiyamah, ayat number 3 and 4, Allah says,
Today, on the occasion of science exhibition, I would like to explain you about the structure of the skin. This structure of the skin contains 3 layers. This is the dermis, this is epidermis, dermis, and hypodermis. Hypodermis is also known as endodermis, which contains all the fat of our body. And this is the middle layer, which is called as dermis. And it contains some of the fat and sweat glands, hair follicles, and blood vessels, etc. And this is the outermost layer of the skin, which is known as epidermis, and it contains small hairs and sweat pores. Skin is one of the sense organ. It is the last sense organ, and it is the largest part of our body, largest organ of our body. If it covers all the organs of our body, if the skin was not there, the harmful microorganisms will enter in our body, and the organs will be damaged. Hence, it is known as protection shield of our body. We can take care of our skin by bathing daily, and if any redness or itchiness appear on our body, we can consult a doctor. Many diseases are also there which will occur on the skin, like malaria, dengue, smallpox, chickenpox, so on. Quran also tells about the skin, and so is Zariyat, verse number 21. وَفِي أَنفُسِكُمْ أَفَلَا تُبْصِرُونَ means it's telling us about the different colors, like how in Africa black people are there, and in Europe white colored people are there. It is all about the pigment present in the skin, which is known as melanin. If melanin is in more number, the color of the skin will be dark, like how African people are there. And if melanin color is less, the color of the skin will be white. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Rahman.
Today I am going to show how a dam works by a small dam project. This dam project is created by me. This is a motor which turns on when the switch is on. This is a water inlet. The water passes through here, and this is the subduction cup. This is a water outlet. The water comes from here. This is the dam head. The water passes through it and eventually falls on this turbine. This turbine rotates and produces electricity here. This is DC, the alternate router connection. The wire passes through this in this house, and there is a rechargeable battery in this. If we turn on the switch, the light will come. There is an underground connection over here. If we turn on this, the light will also come from here. There is also one ayah in Quran regarding water. وَفِي فُلْكِ الَّتِي تَجْرِي فِي الْبَحْرِ بِمَا يَنفَعُ النَّاسَ. Surely the boat sails on water for the humankind. Jazakallahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We are from grade 8. My name is Mohammed Sulman and this is Mohammed Ibrahim. So, our topic in science exhibition is to just show the terrarium. What is a terrarium? Most of the people think that terrarium is the place where we can keep the reptiles. Most of the people, but actually this is a thing, a glass jar made up of a glass jar, we can keep plants in it. So, do you know that it was an incident? One day in the Britain, let's go back to the Britain. Let us go back to the Britain in 1842. When Buckshaw got in 1842, he was a botanist. He used to just keep the insects in the glass jar and just study them. This one? Okay. So when he used to study them, he was a great botanist and he was graduated from Oxford University. After that, one day he forgot to keep an insect in the glass jar and just he kept one spore of the plant. So it started to grow. After some time, it grew and it was the great plant. Then he thought, oh my gosh, what can we do? It is a great miracle. Let us just make a meetup and just give it to the people. So he went to the Oxford University and they made a plan. So they started a business selling the plant from one. They started import and export. So his first export was to Sydney in Australia. So when the Australians got this glass jar, they were so happy and they were delighted that the plants were not spoiled, not get derooted, but everything. So they liked the idea of this. So what they did, they sent other plants in this jar from one place, like from Sydney to the Britain back again. And this plant here, you can see there are many rocks for decoration, and some are the microorganisms which are also useful for the plants. And the roots. The cautions which we need to take is not pour the water directly on this. Use a sprayer. This one. Use the sprayer. Then you should not touch it with your bare hands, or you should not touch the soil, as it might contain the microorganisms which might be harmful for the skin, or they can be a disturbance for the insects. Then first, did you know a fun fact about this? First of all, it was known as an Edwardian case. So what we can also get some benefits from this. We can get stress relief, as you can see the plants by using a microorganism. Microscope, by seeing the microorganisms moving and chewing everything. And the other thing is also we can get more decoration piece at the home, like decoration for the home. Many people keep plants at the home. But second of all, and the best part of this plant is that it gets low maintenance. We do not need to take them. There are 4 types of jars like that. First is the closed one. So this is an open one. The closed one will have the lid on it. So there are the processes done like a water cycle in this one. So when we put the water in it, it evaporates in the lid. It evaporates, then it condenses, and it forms again the little droplets. Then it will get back there. This is also known as the water cycle, as we have studied in our grades. So after that, we are having the closed lid one. This I have explained you that. Then there is the aquatic one. We can keep the weeds, etc. with the water. The fourth one is the desert one, where we can keep the cactus, etc. And I would like to thank the board for making this project. And I would like to thank the guidance who have given us this opportunity. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.